guys, welcome to Placements Prep. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding a job opportunity from Accenture for freshers and experienced. There are 3 job roles from Accenture they are recruiting. So the first role is Associate Supply Chain Fulfillment, and the job description is responsible for streamlining and improving the supply planning process, optimizing the inventory and planning cycles, and creating time-phased inventory, administration of business processes related to orders for goods and services, assess, design, build, and implement best practices on process organization and technology from order creation to order fulfillment. So this is a job description. And next, required skills. So the required skills for this role is knowledge in supply chain, supply planning should be adaptable and flexible, ability to perform under pressure, candidate should be a quick learner, ability to meet deadlines, good communication skills in both oral and written. So these are the minimum required skills to apply for this role in Accenture. And next, interview rounds. There are 2 rounds, aptitude round and HR interview. In aptitude round, there will be sections like quantitative reasoning, verbal ability, and if you qualify in aptitude round, then you will be called for an HR interview. In interview, it will be question based resume and Excel based questions will be asked. And next, qualification, any graduates can apply for this job, and year of passing, any passed outs. Salary will be 2.2 to 4.0 LPA, job location will be Chennai. And next role is Associate Catalog Management. Job description provides an end-to-end integrated seamless solution across marketing, sales and service, responsible to manipulate data and utilize technology to create and maintain user-friendly catalogs, work to identify and create new areas of opportunity to increase catalog usage, utilizing process and organizational knowledge to assist account teams, client teams and sales teams. So this is a job description for this second role. And next we'll see regarding required skills. So there will be minimum required skills to qualify for this job role. So those are content management, Microsoft Excel, adaptable and flexible, ability to establish strong client relationship, ability to work well in a team, written and verbal communication, ability to meet deadlines. So these are some of the minimum required skills to apply for this job. So I will be providing links in the description. Go through that link and apply for these 3 roles. And next, interview round, written assessment, face-to-face interview and HR round. There are 3 rounds in this second job role of Accenture. And after that, qualification, BCom and any graduates, year of passing, any passed outs, salary will be 2.1 to 3.9 lakh per annum, job location will be Bangalore. So first job role location is Chennai and next job role location is Bangalore. So go through each and every link and apply for that role. And next, third role is Associate Lending Operations. Job responsibilities will be, you will be aligned to our financial services, banking, insurance and capital market, prepare refund package with accuracy and supply to clients, ensure compliance to internal control standards and regulations. So these are some of the job responsibilities you need to go through before going to apply for this role. And next, required skills, good communication skills in both oral and written, detail orientation, commitment to quality. This role may require you to work in rotational shift, will be working closely with project members to effectively deliver on the requirements. So these are some of the skills required for this third role. And next, interview rounds will be 3 rounds, general interview, manager round as well as HR round. And next, coming to qualification, any graduates can apply, and year of passing, any passed out, salary 2.2 to 4.3 LPA, job location will be Chennai. So these are the 3 roles Accenture is recruiting any graduates. So don't miss the opportunity and grab the opportunity which is in your hands. Apply to this job before it expires. I will be providing these 3 links in the description. Please go through that link, and if you think that you are eligible for this job, then apply to this. If you have any doubt regarding this, please comment me in the comment section. I will be glad to help you all. Until we meet again, it's bye from me. Thank you.